Good morning. Today is Friday, April 24, 2020.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
So the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. Yesterday was Thursday, April 23rd, and tomorrow will be Saturday, April 25th. So the month is April, and next month will be May. Only a couple more days for May. So let's say it all together. Today is Friday, April 24, 2020. And the weather is partly cloudy. Don't forget your morning workout. Remember to be active at least 30 minutes a day. Today we are going to be working on IEP goals number 3 and number 4. Don't forget to do all of your other assignments as well. Just follow the calendar. And remember, it's okay to take breaks. So how are you feeling today? Mad, happy, relaxed, or sad? I am feeling happy because it's Friday.